been shopping, so I'm just putting away everything and putting away dishes, cat food, baking things I've got for more cooking videos coming up soon. I had a job interview today, so that's why I'm dressed like this, and I got the job, so I'm excited. But I'll do like an update video about that. It's my friend's birthday this week, so I got on my card, putting away the dishes, cat litter things away, and then me drink with my friends. So this is shots, black sambuca I think it is, and it tastes like blackjacks. I wasn't sure because it said Anazi. I was like, oh, I'm good. The second one, and at this point I am pretty drunk, so it is a good time. And this is my outfit of the day, my 1960s dress. So it's cute, soft, flowy. So this is what I got. So first I got a picnic book. So how to make stuff for a picnic. Trifle, Spanish omelette, brownies, cheese and walnut, celery dip, carrot salad, got myself a measuring jug, so I need to get that wash for 50p. The best thing I got was this. What does it kick? Keep all the flies and stuff on. Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. Dolly Parton, because I'm gonna go be seeing Original Grease with all the stuff in it, and then Sandy and that. This is me putting on dresses, night tops, bed jackets, vintage, nightgowns, slips, everything in there. So I will do a video about that very soon. Clothes, just a little tidy up in my bedroom. I feel like I'm just constantly cleaning my room, even though like it doesn't need cleaning. Check out my other videos and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you like this.